to get the PUPA filter. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the trading PUPA filter on TikTok. So first thing, go to TikTok, tap on post and tap on effect. This filter is being trading right now, so you're gonna find it between trading filters. Just keep search. This is the effect and try the effect. If you didn't find the effect between trading effect, all you need to do is go to discover, tap on search, tap PUPA filter, and tap on one of those videos, tap on PUPA, tap on try this effect, and click on record and record yourself with this effect. So this is how you find PUPA filter. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.